This week on Jordan Jaunts, we stroll along the stunning Ölüdeniz beachfront.
We explore the town's vibrant shopping culture and we hunt down the best value excursions.
Welcome back to Ölüdeniz.
We're going to take a stroll along the beachfront all the way to the Blue Lagoon.
Let's go.
Hi.
It's all very nice when your channel starts expanding and people are coming up recognising you from watching you on YouTube and saying hello, whether you're in a restaurant, a bar, or just walking along Ölüdeniz beach. I feel like a bit of a star, to be honest with you. I love the fact these changing areas and toilets on the beach, they are freely available along the beach, which is such an easy way to get yourself from the sea, cleaned up and back into the town again.
It's all really clean and a really lovely place to come. I'm going to head in. There are two parallel strips, one that's right beside the beach and one that's closer to the shops in the front. So I'm going to walk into that one to let you see some of the available bars, restaurants, beachfront things. There are two strips here. There's the beach strip and then there's the kind of town and shops strip in there, where you're closer to the bars and the...
Jeff, I have it next. Look at selection in here, it's fantastic.
Do you know Jeff Goldblum's American actor?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Look at my face.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You,
Different mummy, same daddy.
we knew we recognised you.
You do.
Brilliant, lovely glasses.
Thank you very much.
And I tell you what, I've never looked so good. So we're sorted.
Excuse me, normally it's 22, 23. Normally 55 is my match is very good.
Yep.
Ah, he said £40, okay, £40, don't worry, no problem.
Fabulous. There you go. So Jeff having next here in Ölüdeniz.
We've just had a look around the shops, and something that is really noticeable to me is that you do not get hassled at all in the shops. They're happy for you to look, for you to browse, for you to come back later. They're not saying, oh, what about this? They're not bringing extra things to you, and they're not overbearing, which I often find when I come abroad, and I'm not a great shopper, and it puts me off shopping altogether, but I don't feel that here. I've had a chance to look around, see what's available, and that's fantastic.
I know.
We've just come into a surprising wee covered area, which is great if you need to get out of the shade. I'm so pale that I always want to stay covered up and get into the shade. Must be really quite annoying to be somewhere hot with me, but anyway, James is used to it.
So we're just going in to see Red and Excite Travel, who has got some very keen excursion prices.
And winds.
Yes.
Because slopes changing.
Yes, that makes sense. Oh, are there 3 slopes?
4 slopes.
There's
Four slopes there.
I didn't know that. I
Yeah.
thought only 2.
So yeah, 1,700, 1,800, 1,960, 1,200. This is going to 1,700. Just going to there. But winds coming from east, from west. You know what's I mean? So
Of course.
depends on you flying.
Okay.
Where's the wind coming?
Okay, that's great.
Like that. Yes.
So we're just come back into United Pilots and we're going to book a few more excursions, which is fantastic. Brilliant place.
Yes. Okay. That's
Turkey is so good for doing excursions. It's so low cost compared to other countries. But going to United Pilots, we certainly found was lower again. So mind asked for Sideshow Bob, he'll sort you out. I think Ölüdeniz is probably more expensive than Hisarano for drinks, but then again you're not a beachfront in Hisarano, so you know. Fantastic meal in there we had the other night, beautiful.
It really was delicious. We were looking at the menu and we met a couple who were sitting just there and they were like, we've been here 4 nights, it's fantastic, you should come in. And I was thinking, it's not often you get the customers selling the restaurants.
Turns out they owned it.
Haha.
Just a wee joke.
And this is Buzz Bar. Great food, we had lovely Thai food in there. A great view from the upstairs of the bay and the sunset. It is surreal watching all the paragliders come into land though. The sky full of the beautiful colourful shoots.
Nice happy hour between 5 and 8 in there.
Nice.
The restaurant.
Nice.
Hello.
Hi.
Shopping time maybe?
Not just now, but maybe later. Thank you. We're finding everyone's really friendly, but not overly so. And that's really a nice. We're here at the taxi rank and the Dom bus stops. Dom buses are really frequent and the taxis don't cost a lot to get up to Ranu either, so it just feels really inexpensive whatever way you decide to travel. And it means if you stay in Hisarano, Oludeniz is also very accessible. I'll show you this cute wee police station. Look at that.
There's various boat trips available in Ölüdeniz. You can own one of the pirate ships and around about £20 per day, which is absolutely brilliant value.
Linda.
With lunch included.
And John.
Linda, you're a good girl.
Linda and John. Cheers.
Today is a very important festival. It's the festival of the sacrifice, and so there are 4 days holiday across Turkey, and today is day 1. And look at the difference in Ölüdeniz compared to the last time we were here. It is so busy. I'm going to take you into Olive Cafe and Beach. We're right on the beach here, and it's really a classy wee place by the looks of things. So we'll go in here and get a drink along our journey to the Blue Lagoon.
Let's do the swing competition. I think you're back to the paragliding again.
Fabulous. Do you want a shot?
I think I nearly knocked it over. It's like putting the kids swinging. And then it's,
Maybe don't swing so hard.
I think I just take things slowly.
Maybe that's the phrase for the holiday, don't swing so hard.
I just love sitting in a beach bar, listen to DJ music like this. It's fabulous.
And if you're wondering why we're quite so relaxed, here's what we're looking at.
Cheers. Right, Nicola, time to go. Let's get ourselves along to the Blue Lagoon.
James, that stop was excellent. I'm not sure if I enjoyed it just a wee bit too much. I'll leave it up to you to decide whether that's true or not.
I think you did get a good wee nod in the end.
I did. I had a power nap. I'm feeling fantastic. Let's go.
There you are.
I am just enjoying the sunset. I'm watching all the people walking past. It's so busy tonight.
What a beautiful place Ölüdeniz is in the evening. It's got a great ambience. Music is so chilling, and the air is so warm. 8 o'clock and it's still nice and warm. Lovely to sit down with the shorts and have that glass of vino here in heaven.
It's actually pretty surreal to be shopping in a street, going for a walk along the beach, and there's all these paragliders landing.
What a unique place.
Absolutely.
Fabulous, and it all just fits so well together. Such a great vibe, so relaxed, even though people may not be that relaxed when they take off the mountain. By the time they get to the bottom, they will be relaxed.
It's true, you can't help but be relaxed.
I know, what a beautiful thing to do.